Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. So on this episode of my baking vlog, I'm gonna show you how to make a super easy banana loaf that I think absolutely delicious and tastes every bit as incredible as my favorite banana bread I always make, and have quite a lot of recipes shared with you. So let me take you over the ingredients so we can get started. I'm going to start by making the buttermilk. I have here half a cup of milk and 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Set it aside and wait for the milk to coagulate. Next, in a bowl, I'm going to peel 3 ripe bananas. And using a fork, I'm going to mash them. Guys, don't overmash the bananas. We want the banana chunk on our banana loaf bread. Then, add 1/4 cup of honey or half a cup of granulated sugar if honey is not available. I'm adding 2 eggs, half a cup of oil, 1 teaspoon of dark molasses or 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Then, grab your whisk and whisk them until mixed perfectly. After that, place a fine sieve over the mixing bowl. And I'm just going to sieve all the dry ingredients. I have here 1 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, a teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg for additional spice. And sieve them to remove the lumps. Now I'm going to scoop a little bit of powder mixture and put it on my chocolate chunks just to prevent them on sinking on our butter while baking. Then, mix until well combined. After that, add the buttermilk mixture. Then mix it again until well blended. I'm also adding 1/4 cup of grated coconut for extra flavor and 1/4 cup of walnuts for additional crunch, and some chocolate chunks too. Mix gently just to incorporate the extra ingredients to our loaf batter. Now I'm preparing our loaf pan. I'm just going to brush with oil the loaf pan just to make sure no cake batter will stick. After that, transfer our loaf batter into the prepared loaf pan. And I'm just adding some walnuts for toppings. And bake into 180 degrees preheated oven for about 50 to 55 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Guys, I'm using a thick glass loaf pan. That's why it will take around 55 minutes in the oven. But if you are using a usual stainless loaf pan, it usually takes from 30 to 40 minutes only. So guys, here's my super easy and super delicious banana loaf. I hope you guys will give this recipe a try, and if you like my video, give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below and click the notification bell so that you're always updated every time I upload. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Life is beautiful, guys. Keep smiling. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video. Bye!